Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FNMA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. While this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this one on a very routine basis, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. Did the analysis yesterday, and not a whole lot of new things to report in regards to new levels of support or anything, other than just kind of confirmation, namely revolving around that purple line right there, which is the 50 period simple moving average. Talked about that yesterday, and how if the price can continue to hold above there, that's a very good sign. And also this green line right here. Now, neither the purple line or this green line, which is valued at about $4.15, neither of them is what I would call must-hold levels. I mean, if the price drops below them, the entire chart's ruined. I'm not saying that at all, but if the price can stay above them, which is what the price has been doing, then that's definitely a good sign of strength on the bull's part. And after today, once again, yeah, the price is held above. So sure, the price didn't explode to new highs or anything like that today, but it's maintaining, it's building those higher bases, and from a bigger picture perspective, I mean, that's really all you can ask for, is just maintaining of those supports. Because this green line here and the purple line right there are essentially the same, you can see almost overlapping one another. I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of that green line. Yes, it still pertains. You could totally still leave it on your chart if you wanted to, but from a presentation standpoint and not wanting a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion, just want to keep this as clean as possible. So again, preferably speaking, you want to see the price hold up above that purple line. If that doesn't hold, next level of support down there right around $3.90. In regards to levels of resistance, still have this level up here at $4.50, although, and maybe I'll just move that down since this seems to be kind of, yeah, I don't want to clutter things up. So now that we have more data, you can see on 2 separate occasions the price has bounced directly off of $4.40. You can see it bounced off of it both yesterday and then today once again. So for whatever reason, 440 kind of a random spot, but some sellers have shown up there at $4.40. So that's definitely the key shorter term level of resistance going forward. All in all though, price keeps on building those higher bases. This little miniature uptrend continues, and we'll see if the bulls can fight through 440 or not at some point this week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.